Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the most common dog illnesses. Just like humans, our furry companions can experience health issues. But don't worry, I'm here to help you understand these illnesses and learn how to best support your dog. We'll cover everything from dental problems to allergies, obesity, and more. Remember, prevention is key, and early detection can make a world of difference in your dog's life. Throughout this series, I'll be sharing my insights on how to keep your dog healthy and happy. We'll talk about the importance of a balanced lifestyle, proper nutrition, exercise, and of course lots of love. So if you're ready to become a true pack leader and advocate for your dog's health, stick around and let's get started. We often focus on our dog's physical health, their walks, their play, but don't forget their dental hygiene. Dogs can develop serious dental problems if not properly cared for. Dental disease is a silent threat. By the time you notice signs, your dog might be in discomfort. Prevention is key. Brushing your dog's teeth regularly is crucial. With patience and positive reinforcement, it can be a positive experience. Brushing is important, but it's not the only thing you can do to keep those pearly whites healthy. Dental chews and toys can go a long way in promoting dental health. Look for chews and toys specifically designed to clean teeth and massage gums. These can help scrape away plaque and tartar, reducing the risk of dental disease. And just like you visit the dentist for regular checkups, your dog needs annual dental checkups with a veterinarian. These visits allow the vet to detect any early signs of dental problems and provide professional cleaning. Remember, prevention is always better than cure, and taking care of your dog's teeth is an essential part of their overall health and happiness. We all love to spoil our dogs with treats, but overindulging can lead to obesity, a growing concern for dogs everywhere. Obesity in dogs can lead to health problems, from joint pain and arthritis to heart disease and diabetes. Consult with your veterinarian to determine your dog's ideal weight and develop a personalized diet and exercise plan. One of the biggest culprits contributing to canine obesity is table scraps. While it's tempting to share our food with our furry friends, it's important to remember that human food is often too rich and fatty for dogs. Resist those puppy dog eyes and stick to a balanced diet specifically formulated for their needs. And just like with table scraps, be mindful of the treats you're giving your dog. Many commercial treats are high in calories and can contribute to weight gain. Opt for healthier alternatives like small pieces of fruits and vegetables, or look for low-calorie treats specifically designed for dogs. Remember, exercise is just as important as diet when it comes to maintaining a healthy weight. Make sure your dog gets plenty of physical activity, whether it's daily walks, runs in the park, or playtime in the backyard. You know, just like humans, dogs can suffer from allergies too. They can be allergic to things in the air like pollen and dust mites, or even things they eat like certain proteins or grains. Now, if you notice your dog scratching a lot, licking their paws excessively, or having skin problems, it could be allergies. You might also see them rubbing their face on furniture or carpets trying to get some relief. It's important to work with your veterinarian to figure out what's causing these allergies. Sometimes they might recommend an elimination diet, where you slowly introduce different foods to see if your dog reacts. Remember, patience is key. Finding the source of the allergy can take time, but it's worth it to give your furry friend some relief. Once you know what your dog is allergic to, you can start taking steps to reduce their exposure. If it's something in the environment, like pollen, try wiping down their paws and coat after walks. For airborne allergens, you can also use an air purifier in your home to help clear the air. And for dogs with food allergies, make sure you're feeding them a high-quality diet that doesn't contain the offending ingredients. Sometimes your veterinarian might recommend medications like antihistamines to help manage your dog's allergies. It's important to follow their guidance and never give your dog any medication without consulting with them first. Remember, managing allergies is about making your dog as comfortable as possible. Be observant, be proactive, and work with your vet to find the best solutions for your furry friend. Arthritis, it's not just a human problem. As dogs get older, just like us, their joints can start to wear down, leading to pain and stiffness. You might notice your dog slowing down, having trouble getting up or limping. They might be hesitant to climb stairs or jump on furniture. You know your dog best. If you see these changes in their behavior, it's time to have a conversation with your vet. Besides joint supplements, maintaining a healthy weight is crucial for dogs with arthritis. Extra weight puts more stress on those joints, leading to more pain. Make sure your dog is getting regular moderate exercise. We're not talking about marathons here, just gentle walks and play sessions to keep those joints moving. You can also provide your dog with an orthopedic bed. These beds are designed to provide extra support and cushioning for achy joints, allowing your dog to rest comfortably. And remember, warmth can soothe those stiff joints. Consider a warm compress or a gentle massage to help your dog feel better. Ear infections are very common in dogs, especially those with floppy ears. Those floppy ears trap moisture, creating the perfect environment for bacteria and yeast to grow. If your dog is shaking their head a lot, scratching at their ears, or if you notice a foul odor coming from their ears, it could be an ear infection. Now, it's important to resist the urge to clean your dog's ears with cotton swabs. You could actually push the debris further into the ear canal, making the infection worse. The best thing to do is to take your dog to the vet. They can properly diagnose the infection and prescribe the appropriate medication, usually ear drops or antibiotics. Prevention is key when it comes to ear infections. Regular ear cleaning is important, but remember, no cotton swabs. Your veterinarian can recommend a dog-specific ear cleaning solution. Gently squirt the solution into your dog's ear, massage the base of the ear to distribute it, and then wipe away any excess with a clean cotton ball. If your dog is prone to ear infections, talk to your vet about preventative measures. They might recommend a regular ear cleaning schedule or special ear drying solutions. And remember, a healthy diet and lifestyle can boost your dog's overall immune system, making them less susceptible to infections. A healthy dog is a happy dog. You know, just like humans, our furry companions can also experience diabetes. It's a condition where their body struggles to regulate blood sugar levels. Now, a dog with diabetes might seem thirstier than usual, drinking lots of water and needing to go potty more frequently. Another telltale sign is increased appetite. You might notice your dog is always hungry even if you're feeding them the right amount. This happens because their body can't use glucose for energy effectively, so they're constantly feeling hungry. And despite this increased appetite, you might see weight loss in your dog. This is because the body starts breaking down muscle and fat for energy instead of using glucose from food. Keep an eye out for these signs, and if you notice any, it's time for a trip to the vet. Managing diabetes in dogs involves regulating blood sugar. Daily insulin injections become second nature with practice. Diet is just as important. Provide a balanced diet low in fat and high in fiber. Exercise helps regulate blood sugar levels. Regular vet checkups are essential. With consistent care, your dog can live a fulfilling life. Kennel cough? You know, it's like the doggy version of the common cold. It's a highly contagious respiratory infection that spreads quickly in places where dogs gather. One of the most obvious symptoms is a harsh, hacking cough. It often sounds like your dog has something stuck in their throat. You might also notice them gagging or making a honking sound. If you suspect kennel cough, keep your dog away from others to prevent spreading. Most cases of kennel cough are mild and clear up on their own within a week or two. Just like when we get a cold, rest is crucial, and ensuring your dog drinks plenty of water to stay hydrated is important. Now, in some cases, your vet might prescribe cough suppressants or antibiotics to ease the symptoms and prevent secondary infections. Remember, never medicate your dog without consulting your veterinarian first. The good news is, we can protect our furry friends from kennel cough with vaccinations. Talk to your vet about getting your dog vaccinated, especially if they frequently socialize with other dogs. Remember, prevention is always better than cure. By taking the right steps, we can help keep our dogs healthy and happy. Heartworm disease. Now, this is a serious one, folks. It's a potentially fatal condition that affects the heart and lungs of dogs. It's caused by parasitic worms that live in the heart and blood vessels. and it's spread through mosquito bites. You see, mosquitoes pick up heartworm larvae when they feed on an infected animal. When they bite another dog, they transmit these larvae, which then mature into adult worms in the heart. The scary thing about heartworm disease is that it often shows no symptoms in the early stages. By the time you notice signs like coughing, difficulty breathing, weight loss, or lethargy, the disease might have already progressed. That's why prevention is absolutely crucial when it comes to heartworm disease. We need to be proactive in protecting our furry companions from this silent threat. Thankfully, preventing heartworm disease is relatively easy. We're lucky to have highly effective monthly medications available in the form of chewable tablets, topical liquids, or even injections. These preventatives work by killing heartworm larvae before they have a chance to mature and cause damage. Talk to your vet about the best heartworm prevention option for your dog. Now here's the thing. Treating heartworm disease is complex, time-consuming, and, unfortunately, quite expensive. It involves multiple vet visits, blood tests, x-rays, and a series of injections that can be tough on your dog. Trust me, prevention is much easier and safer for your dog in the long run. By staying consistent with heartworm preventatives, you can give your furry friend the best chance at a long and healthy life. Parvovirus, or parvo, is a highly contagious and potentially deadly virus that attacks a dog's digestive system. Puppies are especially vulnerable, but adult dogs can get it too. It's a tough one to see your dog go through, believe me. This virus is no joke, my friends. It spreads through infected feces, vomit, and even contaminated surfaces. Imagine your dog could pick it up just by sniffing around where an infected dog has been. Symptoms include severe vomiting, bloody diarrhea, lethargy, loss of appetite, and fever. If you notice any of these signs, you need to get your dog to the vet immediately. Time is of the essence. Prevention is always better than cure, and thankfully we have highly effective vaccines to protect our furry companions from this nasty virus. Early detection is crucial when it comes to parvo. The sooner you recognize the signs and seek veterinary care, the better your dog's chances of survival. Treatment for parvo typically involves hospitalization and supportive care. This may include intravenous fluids, medications to control vomiting and diarrhea, and antibiotics to prevent secondary infections. It's a tough road to recovery, but with prompt treatment and a lot of love, many dogs can pull through. Just remember, prevention is always the best medicine. Keep your furry friends safe by vaccinating them on schedule and practicing good hygiene. And always be on the lookout for any signs of illness. Urinary tract infections, or UTIs, are quite common in dogs. They occur when bacteria invade the urinary tract, leading to inflammation and discomfort. You might notice your dog straining to urinate, having accidents in the house, licking their genitals excessively, or having blood in their urine. These are all telltale signs that something is wrong. UTIs are often easily treated with a course of antibiotics prescribed by your veterinarian. However, if left untreated, they can lead to more serious complications like bladder stones or kidney infections. Just like with humans, prevention is key when it comes to UTIs in dogs. Make sure your dog has access to plenty of fresh water throughout the day to encourage frequent urination and flush out bacteria. Regular bathroom breaks are also crucial. Don't force your dog to hold it for extended periods, as this can increase their risk of developing a UTI. If you notice your dog exhibiting any signs of a UTI, don't hesitate to contact your veterinarian. Early diagnosis and treatment can prevent a lot of discomfort for your furry friend and potentially save you from bigger problems down the road. Remember, a healthy dog is a happy dog. By staying vigilant and proactive about their health, you're setting them up for a long and fulfilling life by your side. And there you have it, folks. We've covered 10 common dog illnesses, from dental disease to UTIs, and discussed how to keep your furry friends healthy and happy. Remember, early detection is key when it comes to most health issues. By staying vigilant, being proactive about prevention, and seeking veterinary care when needed, you can help your dog live a long, healthy, and fulfilling life. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips on keeping your pets happy and healthy.